Then there's hypoxia. Pretty straightforward, that's a lack of. Which of the following is not one of the H's associated with reversible causes?
Okay, so in regards to cardiac arrest, give me some multiple choice questions.
Tested regurgitation is not one of the TVs we discussed.
Good job catching that.
Hey guys, it's Jessica Rosemary. If you're new here, if not, welcome back. I have quite a busy schedule this week and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Tomorrow I have my second exam and it's on cardiac. This past weekend I've just been studying. It is the night before. I'm just doing last minute reviews. So we have our second exam tomorrow. That's the first class of the day. We have that in the morning. Then we have lab. I kind of have like a busy schedule this week due to my exam. I'm gonna try my best to wake up early and leave my house early to get to campus really early. I kind of feel like I have enough information down packed, but it's just better to confirm that instead of just going with the, oh, I think. You know, tonight I'm just basically going over things that I didn't really get to review and study on, which is not much. I think I just need to review delegation, but the overall main thing of the exam is cardiac. Cardiac is like, it can be so many things. Cardiac is a big topic on its own. And there's a lot of things on the exam that fall under cardiac, so that's why I mainly was studying cardiac. I didn't really study like delegation and stuff, but that's what I'm gonna try to dive into tonight. So this is basically how the exam is gonna be. It's multiple choice and GN style questions. She gave us a topic, and under that topic is topics that we should focus on. You guys just kind of heard a little bit of how I study. Lately, I've been relying heavily on AI, and AI has not done me wrong. So I basically use Notebook LM and ChatGPT to study. And then I do some active recall to memorize what I'm studying. Those two combos that I've been using, ChatGPT, asking it for multiple choice questions, and active recall definitely helps me a lot in my exam. I'm now including Notebook LM, and I think that's definitely gonna help me a lot. I won't say for sure yet. AI is not always gonna be detailed, and AI is not always gonna be perfect. So although I do recommend using AI to study, you also have to look into your notes and make sure you are thoroughly reading. So like for MedSurg 1, I was thoroughly reading everything. I didn't just strictly rely on AI. So let's get to cardiac arrest. Let's try to figure out why a patient is in cardiac arrest.
Because as we were about to say, when these rhythms go off, it impacts how well the heart can pump.
Makes sense. Fluid in the lungs.
Fatiguing weakness because your body is...
It's a breath fluid / crackles in the lungs, pulmonary edema and orthopnea, fatigue, and signs of the pulmonary edema. No, peripheral edema. Good morning, guys. It's exam day and I actually feel very prepared. I feel 100% prepared for this exam. So it's looking like a great day. I'm speaking it into existence. Now let's go past some exams. My package from Pretty Little Thing came. I'm already doing summer vacation shopping. This is summer clothes for when I get on vacation. We just hit the midterm and I'm already ordering vacation clothes.
They don't love me anyway. They don't love me anyway. Troubling. They don't love me anyway. Don't get my feelings hurt. I know the ceiling's gone. Don't get my feelings hurt. This time I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt. Don't say I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt.
I finally found a class, an empty classroom at that. In nursing school, you break into like your little groups naturally. So I saw some people were already here, and so I kind of feel like I'm not too early. I'm gonna start reviewing some questions. The recall, like when you just write down what you remember about a certain topic on the board. I'm gonna start working on some dosage. So let's get to it.
It's for certain, summer's outside.
You guys just saw me do a brief overview of what I remembered for each topic that would be on exam 2. So now I'm just going to do some more practice questions and listen to some YouTube videos until it's time for the exam. It's like I'm nervous, but I'm not, because I know like I did my best. I covered every topic. I did so much reviews. Every source there is, I think I used. That's why I'm not nervous, but at the same time I am, because you just never know what these teachers can do. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I did all I can. Moral of the story is I did my part. I know I will do amazing. So now I'm just going to do what I have to do, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
Mask. We already did the hand hygiene, right? We need to identify the patient. Yeah. So we have to, how do I remove this? Now when I'm taking this out, what am I doing?
You're holding this in place.
You could not necessarily.
So you go from inner to outer when you're cleaning, and you're doing that twice.
But if it was flat, you don't want to raise it. But if it's not about 30 degrees.
Marcel, remember in the video?
Yeah.
Hold it in place.
Easier. Then that one you can do that way. Yeah. Some facilities stop checking the balloons because they're saying if you check.
The last one down the middle.
Now
you do the outside. Yeah, good job.
So how far do you guys go?
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll shit in my world with you. If you wanna waste your time, waste your time. I mean, honestly.
Good morning, guys. So we just came back from the gym. I freshened up, so now I'm about to head to class. Today we have leadership. Leadership honestly is a drag. I think I told you in the last vlog, it's just basically teaching you management when you get into the field, delegation, prioritization, and just being like having morals. Hold on, am I a bit too bright? Let me adjust the brightness. I feel like I'm bright. Today's class is pretty much a breeze. Life feels so much better now that I'm not stressing over an exam. Like I can just feel comfortable again. I can do things without feeling the pressure of, oh my god, I need to study, or oh my god, how am I gonna do on an exam? So this feels good. So I'm glad I'm back to this. Right now it's 10:26, class start in like an hour and 40 minutes. So I'm gonna start heading to class now.
Looking at you, got my eyes wide, damn. Looking at you, got my eyes wide, damn. So out of this world like sci-fi. Looking at you, got my eyes wide, damn. Looking at you, got my eyes wide, damn. So out of this world.
Good morning, guys. We just got off the Manhattan bus. I'm headed to clinical now. It was kind of drizzling. So I just got off the Manhattan bus. It was really fast and peaceful. It's 6:40. Clinical start at 7 on the dot. And it takes me like about 15 minutes to get there. I'm pretty early. It's crazy to think that I'm living one of my goals, which was to have clinicals in the city. It's like super exciting. It's also very tiring because you gotta wake up a bit earlier to catch the bus because you want to leave early to beat the traffic. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.